Well, hello and welcome to my channel. This is my first video here on the Danny's DieCast collection. And today I'm going to show you a recent purchase. I bought this from Temu, Temu.com. It is a Boeing 777 aircraft. Is American Airlines. And it's 1/400 scale. Okay, and I paid a total of $7.98. So we got the stand right there. Because this particular die-cast aircraft does not have the landing gear. It's supposed to be the landing gear closed, as you can see. So there is no landing gear on this one. You just put it on the stand. So let me put that there for a second. Actually, let me show you this first before I put it on the stand. So you can see there is some detail on there. This is the turbine. Okay, again, the bottom, there is no landing gear. But you have them detail up here on the wings. And this is, again, 1/400 scale. Okay, so it's American Airlines. As you can see, the doors, the number there, the aircraft number. And, of course, you got your color scheme there. Silver with the blue and red. The American logo. So let me take out the stand. And again, I paid a total of $7.98. And I really like these small planes. Of course, I was a jet engine mechanic in the Air Force, so I love aircraft. I grew up loving aviation. So I'm just putting this together, push it in there. There you go. So this is the stand, so we can put it right here on the stand. And I want to have this on my on the shelf. And there it is. Boeing 777. Okay, American Airlines. Nice. Okay, so there you go. $7.98. Pretty cool. And this is the first of my videos in this channel. I will be showcasing die-cast vehicles, of course, like Matchbox, Hot Wheels, and all that. I'm also going to be showcasing military vehicles. I like military vehicles also, like tanks and personnel carriers and all that stuff, Jeeps and so on. And also military aircraft also, not only civilian aircraft, but military aircraft. Okay? So there you go. So Boeing 777, American Airlines. Okay? So there you go. If you like this video, smash the thumbs up. And also subscribe to my channel and check out more die-cast models, vehicles, and like I said, aircraft and so on. And more to follow. And again, thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.